Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox lag on PS5. First, always ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is completely up to date. Outdated software can cause performance issues. Next, close any other applications or games running in the background on your PS5 as they consume valuable system resources. Finally, a simple restart of both your PlayStation 5 console and your internet router can often resolve temporary network glitches and improve game performance significantly. Optimizing your network connection is crucial for a smooth Roblox experience. Whenever possible, use a wired Ethernet connection directly to your PS5 instead of Wi-Fi. This provides a more stable and faster connection, reducing latency. Also, check your internet speed. A minimum of 25 megabits per second download is recommended for online gaming. Try to limit other devices on your network from downloading or streaming heavily while you play. Adjusting some settings can make a big difference. Within Roblox, navigate to the in-game settings and lower the graphics quality. Reducing visual effects can significantly improve your frame rates and reduce lag. Also, consider disabling any unnecessary visual effects or features in the Roblox game menus. Regularly clearing your PlayStation 5 cache can also help, as it removes temporary data that might be slowing things down. For more advanced solutions, ensure your PlayStation 5 has adequate ventilation. Overheating can severely impact performance, so keep it in an open space. You might also consider rebuilding your PS5 database from safe mode, which can optimize system files. Remember to stay hydrated while gaming. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your system and yourself in top shape helps ensure the best gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.